Hello guys, welcome back to Trevlyn Ghana, and we are today in Aburi, more specifically Aburi Girls School Down, and we're here to bring you an amazing offer, an amazing opportunity to own land in Ghana. Right around us, in front and behind, we are standing on 15 acres of land, and guess what? We've secured a fantastic deal for you guys. For the first 10 people that secure this land, it will be on a freehold basis.
What?
Yes, you've heard correctly. That's freehold, not lease. So that means that you own this land for
ever
and ever
and ever.
Exactly. So get your skates on. That opportunity is just for the first 10 people, okay? So yes. Trevor, give us a bit more information on this land.
Well guys, welcome, and indeed what we are here right now, as said, we're literally under an hour away from the airport, Kotoka International Airport, Accra Mall, and of course you've got 15 minutes or so from Pejuasi Valley Resort. You're the Shell, the shopping mall. You also got a Yarifa Mall around about 20 to 30 minutes away from here. So getting accessories and getting all your necessities is literally around the corner. So you have nothing to worry about. Aburi Girls School is literally 6 minutes away, which is great for your kids and so forth. But more importantly, you could build your dream home right here, right now. And we're saying to you, come back. In fact, can you hear the birds chirping? Peace is what I hear. Yes. Look at the surrounding landscape, look at the hills, look at the valleys, look at the trees. Guys, we're just saying to you, if you are and you feel that this year, 2026 is your year to secure something in Ghana, secure something like this as a freehold. Exactly. Forever and ever and ever. Exactly. Now that's your land, all right? So you have nothing to worry about. The land is litigation free, which means it's been registered. Yep. You have your documents, you go to the land and you register it yourself. You have nothing to stress about. We'll produce everything for you. It's all in black and white. So guys, for the first 10 plots, which is 100 by 70 feet, okay, is going. So the details and the price will be in the description details below. Do not miss this opportunity. You don't want to miss out. Now, for those who are not Ghanaian citizens and are looking for properties, you can get this for 50-year lease, renewable for another 45 years. And for those who missed the 10 plots that are looking, it's 75 years lease for the rest of the plots. Having said that, guys, make sure you're checking the details below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And listen, I am just gonna walk and take a look at this landscape. So Lynn, do you wanna lead the way?
Yes, until next time guys, take care
of yourselves
and each other.